So right down there, you see the arch on the beach. Now, Honolulu Beach is a sacred beach. The only legal way to access that beach is to swim it. There you go, Taylor, right down here. Now, the reason why the beach is sacred is because of this valley we're about to go into. This is the Honolulu Valley, or the Valley of the Kings. This is where Hawaiian kings from all the islands were buried, not just from Kauai. But the Hawaiians believed that the power of a person resided with their bones after they passed away. And they believed if somebody got a hold of the king's bones, that they could use his power against them. So they didn't want that to happen. The best warrior in the village would rappel off the top of these rocks and hide the king somewhere in these rock cliffs. Once he laid the king to rest, he would cut his rope and fall to his death, so he could not reveal where that king was located. So Ulrich, do you know how to get out of here?
Actually, I would love to go to the beaches, to the Kalalau Beach, but I don't know how to do it, except of swimming.
Yeah, so there's a hike out to it, but easier way is to do a boat tour.
But they don't drop you there. They just
there's a couple of them that'll let you snorkel off of Kalalau. So.
Oh, cool.
Yep, and then there's a kayaking trip that you can do that takes you out to Kalalau. So we got the cathedrals here on the right. That's what all these big rocks are. So then this is the Kalalau Beach down here below us on the left. So this is the beach I was just saying that you can actually hike out to it. It's only 11.7 miles one way. No big deal. On a trail that in some spots are only 10 inches wide.
But you need that camping permit.
Yeah, so you do have to have a permit to do it.
And it's not possible to get it.
I really don't know what that process is. I've heard it's pretty hard. I haven't done the hike, but I have kayaked here and camped. This is the Kalalau Valley. This is the largest valley on the Nepali. So that was home to about 5,000 Hawaiians in its heyday. Alright, so as we're headed up the coast here, you're going to see a whole bunch of sea caves. All those caves are extinct lava tubes.
My favorite cave was the one with the where the ceiling's like blown off. There's like no ceiling to it. You go into the cave.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's called the Skylight. Yeah. Yep, that's way down on the other side there. It's difficult to show people that because you've got to bank the aircraft so tight for them to see it. But
Matt was able to see it when we flew over it a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
You saw it down there. It was really cool.
so this large rock face right here is called Honolulu. It's really popular with the boat tours. It's got a couple caves that are big enough to drive the smaller boats into. Then we got 2 Mile Beach. That's this small beach right here. 2 Mile got its name because it's a 2-mile hike from Kaui, which is further up the coast to there. So somebody got real creative with the name on that one because you got stuff like Kaui, Honolulu, Kalalau, and then 2 Mile Beach. It's just like, all right. Alright everybody, we're going to come all the way around to the left. So 2 Mile is actual name is Hanakapiai, but best I can figure somebody at some point in time couldn't pronounce that, so came up with something easier and it kind of stuck. Alright Taylor, here you're the first one out with a grand view of the Nepali. Alright, so we're coming around the North Shore here. So we got Kaui Beach right here. Kaui is part of the state park here on the North Shore. So that's the only beach here on the North Shore that you got to have a pass to actually go to. But you can drive all the way out to that parking lot without the pass that you get online before they make you turn around. And then where the beach kind of comes to a point right here, you can see all the beach umbrellas and stuff down there. That's Hyena Beach. Across the street from that is a really large cave that's really cool to go to. And it,
It's very nice. I have an apartment in Hyena.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
And then this right here, this big reef is Tunnels Beach. Tunnels is one of the best snorkeling spots in the world.
Snorkeled that today.
Part of the boat tour? Okay, I was just like, man, you guys have done all kinds of stuff today. But yeah, all right, that makes sense.
We're very tired.
Yeah, I bet. Good to bed early, you know, act like you get a senior citizen discount at dinner at 4:30, you know. Yeah.